Hi everybody. Today I want to talk about weights versus cardio. I get asked often what is better to get fit. Is weight training more essential or cardio? And my answer will always be weight training. Why? When you weight train, you're not just damaging your muscle fibers, but you're also improving your metabolism in the long run. How does that happen? When you train, you're spending a lot of calories while you're training, right? You're expending a lot of energy while you're training, just like how you would be spending in cardio. But the benefit in weight training is while you're spending these calories, you're actually damaging your muscle fiber, which needs further repair and rebuilding throughout the next 4 or 5 days. And once it's healed and recovered, now this muscle will be bigger and stronger. What that also means is you will have a better metabolism, because for every kg of muscle mass that your body puts on, your body also starts burning 100 calories more just to maintain it. So if you're training with weights, as opposed to training on a treadmill, just doing cardio, your weight training benefit will not just last during that session. Your weight training session will help you benefit long after it's completed, because of the damage that you've caused, because of the metabolic advantage that you will receive after you've repaired that damage. But if you're just doing cardio, right, you're not going to be able to create that kind of damage. Cardio exercises are all aerobic exercises, which don't really require muscle contractions as much. So you're not really damaging muscle fibers. You are just exhausting yourself while you're doing it, and you only end up burning calories while you do it. So you don't have the advantage of the muscle building effects that weight training can provide. There are forms of cardio like high intensity interval training, which can have a greater fat burning effect even after they have ceased. But if you still compare them with weight training alone will also benefit with muscle gains. HIIT cardio will not benefit with muscle gains. So if you were to choose one between cardio and weights, I would always recommend doing weights. Weights, I feel, is the answer to a fit body in the long run, and cardio is a short-term solution. If you have excess amounts of weight and you're going on a diet and you want to maximize your expenditure, yes, then go ahead and do some cardio. And after you've lost the fat, you have to be able to cut back on that cardio. You should have an exit strategy which allows you to minimize the amount of cardio that you're doing, and then solely start relying upon weight training to do the job. Another important point that I missed is when you're doing weights, right? Say you have an hour every day to do weights. Now within that hour, the weight training can become more and more intense as you advance. Like if you've started lifting 10 kgs for your chest press and you get stronger, the next time the same set, instead of doing it with 10 kilos, you start doing it with 12 kilos or maybe 15 kilos. So what's happening here is it is becoming a very time efficient endeavor, because you spend the same amount of time, 1 hour, but now you're able to intensify it within the same time frame. But when it comes to cardio, right, duration becomes very, very important. Like if you've been doing half an hour of cardio, it will not really suffice. You'll have to start increasing it. And even if you increase your intensity, how fast will you run on a treadmill? There's a limit to that too. So there will always be a point where you will get diminished results out of cardio, and you'll have to increase the duration, and that is also very, very time inefficient. So if you have an hour to kill, or if you just have an hour to spare, I would invest that hour in weight training first. So cardio, like I said, is like an unending battle. It keeps going on and on. So you should always devise an exit strategy, come out of it, rely upon weights, and lift heavy weights and build your metabolism, which helps you stay fitter, because you can eat more food and still stay lean. I hope that helps. See you later.